PBXware archiving storage automatically copies eligible files to a remote destination on a weekly basis. It is possible to store your data on Amazon SQL Server Storage, Dropbox, Google Drive, or your own FTP server. In order to use PBXware's archiving storage, you will need to add it to your PBXware license. Inside your Bicom Systems account, navigate to Store and select your desired package. In our case, we have selected Hosted Solution Package. If you are purchasing new PBXware license, during the purchase, check the box next to archiving storage to add the archiving storage to your PBXware license, and complete your order as usual. If you are trying to add archiving storage to an existing PBXware license, navigate to Store again, and from the list select the annual or monthly PBXware package, depending on which one you have. Once selected, on the next screen, find your desired PBXware license and click the Edit button. Check the box next to archiving storage to proceed with your order. Select your desired payment options, and then proceed and confirm your payment. Once you have completed your purchase, it is time to set up your archiving storage. Simply log into your PBXware, select the tenant from the drop-down menu, navigate to Tenant Systems menu, and under Archiving Storage Client section, click on the Enable button, and from the drop-down client type list, select Amazon, Dropbox, your own FTP server, or Google Drive as a client type. If you choose Amazon as a client type, you will need to add your Amazon access key, access secret, and you will have to specify your Amazon bucket. For Dropbox, you will have to connect your Dropbox account with PBXware through Dropbox code and token. For FTP server as a client type, you have to enter FTP address, username, and password. And for Google Drive, similar to Dropbox, you will have to connect your Google Drive account with PBXware through Google Drive code and token, and you will have to specify the folder name. We will use Dropbox as an example in this tutorial. Select Dropbox as a remote storage client type and click on the Get Code button. A small pop-up window will open, prompting you to sign into your Dropbox account. Sign in and click on Allow to enable PBXware archiving storage access. Copy your Dropbox access code and paste it inside a client code field inside of PBXware. Once done, click on the Get Token button to generate Dropbox access token. Next, under Archiving Storage Settings section, select each resource that you wish to store. You can select recordings, voicemail, and/or fax. If you add one by mistake, simply remove it by clicking on the X button. Enter a name for your folder and select your preferred date and time format. And under Upload Older Than, you can choose to upload files older than selected period of time, or choose all to upload all files regardless of how old they are. At the bottom, you have an option to convert all your audio recordings to an MP3 file format. Leave this option unchecked to store your audio files in their original file format. Next, under Network section, set the maximum number of simultaneous uploads and the maximum number of upload retries in case an upload fails. Set the upload rate per seconds or leave it empty to use the maximum upload speed. If you wish to be notified by email every time PBXware has uploaded resources, simply enable email notifications and specify your email in the email field. If you wish to be notified only when an error has occurred, then make sure that Send on Error Only option is selected as well. Once done, click Save to apply the archiving storage settings. To verify the archiving storage connection, click on the Test button. If you have entered everything correctly, you will get a success message. Under Archiving Storage Systems section, if Auto Run is enabled, PBXware will copy eligible files to a specified remote destination once a week. However, you can manually copy the files at any given time by clicking the Run button. The Run button is only visible when you have set your archiving storage. In the last option, Remove Files, if turned on, will remove files from server once they are uploaded to archiving storage. After you transferred your resources, you can check if the transfer was successful under Reports. Select Archiving Storage, specify date range, and click on the Search Now button. You can also filter the results by status by clicking the drop-down menu and checking or unchecking the box next to each status, and then clicking on the Search button. Thank you for watching this video, and if you need more help, be sure to visit Bicom Systems Wikimedia page.